What's up, guys? It's Codex, and today we are going some Aria. I'm currently playing with my friend Terraria, and I want to make a series like I did with Code Vein, where I show off all the bosses, and this is my equipment I have right now. This gives me 2 defense, in total we have 16 defense. This gives me night vision. This makes me run super fast, has 10% increased movement speed and 4 defense. This gives me plus 4% damage. This gives me 7 seconds immunity to lava. And of course this slowly regenerates E. And these are my weapons. We have the tendon bow, we have the enchanted sword, a boomerang, and today we're gonna kill the suspicious looking eye boss, which spawns the eye enemy, and the king slime. I actually fought the king slime already right now, and he was kind of hard. I really struggled to defeat him since he was doing quite some spicy damage. And of course this is normal mode. I normally like getting in, I already played the game through to 100%. Also tried out some mods, but I want to start on normal mode and then go to hard mode. So this is a normal world map. So I think we're just gonna start with Hulu and see what happens. Never mind, we can't spawn it yet. Well, that's embarrassing. Then just clean the area real quick. Alright, I can explain it to you guys how... Oh no. This is awful timing. This is serious awful timing. Why? Why? Come on, game. Why do you hate me so much? The suspicious looking eye, you need to find demon altar or a crimson altar. In the crimson or in the demon area. And with I think 10 of these you can craft one suspicious looking eye. And for the slime crown you need gold bars, and a ruby to make the crown, and then you need 20 slime on the same altar. You made a specific suspicious looking eye to make it into slime crown. Well then, let's spawn suspicious looking eye. I don't think it's going to be stronger now, but let's see. Where you at? There it is. 2800 HP. Doesn't do that much damage in the first half, so I can just tank it. My sword. I never played melee, so it's kind of new to me to go melee. I've always been a gunner. Ow, ow. Ow. Okay, we're getting him low. We're getting some good hits in. And now, normally I want to stay right next to him when he transforms. But I couldn't do it today. Okay. My dodges are not that good. Remember, I have 16 defense. I'm a little bit stronger than you normally should be at this point where you fight him. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That did a lot of damage. And we did him. And the Eye of Cthulhu. No healing also used. let's see what he dropped. He dropped Criminite ore, which you can make some really good weapons with, and some bronze. He has some potions, which are pretty neat, and some crimson seeds. But he can also drop something like the Eye of Cthulhu mask, which is quite cool. Since we're already on it, let's just do this. Why not? There he is, the big king slime. This big guy is actually quite stronger than the eye. At least I have way more trouble fighting this guy, since he does quite a lot of damage. Oh god damn it! Oh god damn it! I'm already under 200 HP. Ow, 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 that was a bad idea, bad idea. Ow, 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 ow. Holy, oh. Leave me alone. Please. I'm sorry. I'm very glad we have such a strong sword. Do like 24 damage a hit? Oh, we do sometimes 30. That's actually good. 17, 20. Ow, 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 ow. If you're wondering how I got this sword, you basically have to get lucky somewhere underground and find it. And it's really strong beginning of the game, which you can probably tell. We can put another healing. Good. Let's get him. Let's finish him. 300 more HP. 200. Where did you go? Silly slime. Oh, he's under... And there it is. Nice. Now let's get rid of the slimes. Yoink. Yoink. Oh, you dropped a lot of stuff. Yeah, let's check out what we got. We got a slime banner. This Soul of the Fire. It's good for crafting with slimes. First time I fought him, we also got the slime gun. Which is quite cool. There we have it again. And the ninja shirt, which I also have right on me right now. And the slime mask, which is also really cool. Can't really show it off right now because it's kinda reddish right now. But yeah, that's the two first bosses of the Terraria Let's Play. I didn't know how long it would take me to defeat these guys. So I put them both in one video. Hope that's fine with you guys. Normally I like making oh no, I let the door open. Normally I like making one video for one boss, but this time I sadly had to make both into. Well then, see you guys in the next video. I have to deal with the blood moon. Goodbye.